How to fix missing chat engine character AI app. So the moment of the solution is that you just need to use the app on the website on the laptop. Just don't go to character AI and log the same account, and here is you can think some people are able to restore. You have chat, but the app still buggy and some users are still missing chat on app. And so that's just what you have here. You need to go the app and you need to wait for some updates from some technical fix, and then I hope hopefully it will fix issue soon. You can also start to use privacy version and on the app without this bug. You know how to technically do it now. Some people can restore privacy version and the certain app, the app store. Then also another solution is just obviously just use another app like Toki app or something like that. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks guys for watching.